khi tân tổ bị đặt giá sàn khi tân tổ bị đặt giá sàn
Hello and welcome to our first edition of this term's Radio CAYB with me, Guion.
Oshan.
Doan.
Ethan. So this week we've got some new features, such as we've got a brand new feature called the Mystery Voice, which is where you have to guess 5 voices. We play out 5 voices and you have to guess them. And we got a Guess a Year, which where we say 5 facts about the year. And we got a new travel feature with Ethan. You want to explain your travel feature, Ethan?
This feature, I'll explain the best way to get from A to B in the best possible way, using Rome to Rio and of course some loads of time and patience.
And also we got our old features such as News with Ethan and Corey's song on the piano and birthdays, and our interview feature. We've decided to shape up this feature because we are not interviewing Scaff this week, we are interviewing kids. This week we are interviewing Jack McGreevy from Canal Die. Our first song we are going to kick off this week is This Charming Man by the Smiths, requested by KTNR.
Complexity when the leather runs smooth on the passenger seat. I would go out tonight, but I haven't got a stitch to wear. This man said it's gruesome that someone so handsome should care. A jumped up country boy never knew his place. He said, return the ring. He knows so much about these things. He knows so much about these things. I would go out tonight, but I haven't got a stitch to wear. This man said it's gruesome that someone so handsome should care. Na, 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 na. This charming man. Na, 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 na. This charming man. A jumped up country boy who never knew his place. He said, return the ring. He knows so much about these things. He knows so much about these things. He knows so much about these things.
Here comes the Mystery Voice.
Mystery Boy. Mystery Boy.
Hello and welcome to our brand new feature called the Mystery Voice. This is a brand new feature where you all have to guess 5 different voices, and we will tell them after a couple of songs which ones they were. Here's our first voice, starting us off at number 1.
I get in trouble for not playing bigger venues, actually. Cause
They can't get tickets, I guess.
yes, but I've been playing amphitheatres, which are outside, and they're beautiful, and you get to see the audience when you go on. But no, I mean, I'm not a massive fan of touring.
Here's the second mystery voice of the week.
I'd wake up every morning, there'd be like 50 messages, and none of them would say, hey, how are you? It'd be like, can I have this? Can you lend me this? Can you do this? Can I get this? And it was fine at the beginning, and it just got really, really draining by the end of it. So getting rid of that, going travelling, getting perspective, making an album that I love, everything's great.
Voice number 3 for the week.
I mean, I love performing. Yeah, but I'm not going to be stopped. I'll still be creative. I'll be doing records. I'll be writing movies, movie scores, and doing more musicals and stuff like that. It's not an end to me being creative.
Here's our fourth voice for this week.
To be honest, I think that the audiences in Britain were certainly more brutal. We have these live audiences, and it was a bit like a Roman amphitheatre when we went to Manchester and Cardiff and places. So I've noticed that the audiences in America were more willing to want the contestants to succeed.
And here's our fifth and final voice for this week.
The best day of my life. Because I planned on never getting married and never having children, and this was a steadfast rule. But then Ida came into my life and all that changed. I had the best day of my life.
Okay, so we hope you guessed our voices correctly, and we will be back with the answers for our voices after a couple of songs. Here's Get All Alive with You Spin Me Right Round.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay, that was Get All Alive there with You Spin Me Right Round. Right, here's Oshan now with our birthdays. This week's birthdays are only in CAYB. There's no celebrity birthdays this week. Celebrity birthdays will be back next week. Take it away, Oshan.
Thank you, Dion. Max is in Caintree is 18. Joseph in Carnarvon is 7. Siwan in Canolin is 13. And last but not least, Stacey is in Caintree is 18. And Dion from Caintree is 13. Summer we also had Leo is 17.
Okay, so we hope you all had nice birthdays, and we are going to celebrate with this next song. This next song is called Space by Billy Clyro.
When we were young and still in love, we didn't care what we were made of. Our eyes were set on a distant sun, it was shimmering gold. Then slowly, one by one, we carried our past and cradled the storm. We tried to conceal the scars we wore, 'cause we couldn't show what we couldn't show. I get lost sometimes, with you I am fine. I get lost, so I'll follow the light to your heart. Will you wait for me? There's always a space in my heart, I'm still caught in your gravity. No matter the distance between us, our joy lives in the moments we share. Love's truest meaningless when you're not there. Will you wait for me? There's always a space in my heart for you. And then the silence fell. We bit our tongues with which we tell all of our dreams and the stories we sell. But we didn't know what we didn't know. I get lost sometimes, with you I am fine. I get lost, so I'll follow the light to your heart. Will you wait for me? There's always a space in my heart, I'm still caught in your gravity. No matter the distance between us, our joy lives in the moments we share. Love's truest meaningless when you're not there. Will you wait for me? There's always a space in my heart. There's always a space in my heart. There's always a space in my heart. Will you wait for me? There's always a space in my heart, I'm still caught in your gravity. No matter the distance between us, our joy lives in the moments we share. Love's truest meaningless when you're not there. Will you wait for me? There's always a space in my heart for you.
Here is our travelling feature with Ethan.
Hey everyone, Ethan here, and here's my travel feature. Now here pretty much is where I explain the best possible way to get from A to B. Now before we start, we got ground rules such as travel restrictions may apply obviously, and if I find a country or county, I would select a place in that country or county and good to go. There's also two more wackier rules than this, such as the places to go along with the county or prefecture or state, whatever, and the country. And there's also that, don't worry about the time zones, you're not going to get seasick. To start with, we got Omiya, Japan, and Vancouver, British Columbia. So Omiya is to start with, and you've got to go to Vancouver. So you have to start at Omiya Railway Station and go to Tokyo Eki, which is Japanese for station. Let's say you pick the Tsubasa Shinkansen service. Once at Tokyo, change to the Narita Express, or NIX for short, for Narita terminals either 2 or 3, let's say terminal 2. Then transfer to a Flair Airlines from Narita to Vancouver. In Vancouver, transfer over to the Translink Canada to Vancouver City Centre Station on Platform 1. And there we go. If you're planning on staying there, don't even have to worry. This trip will take 12 hours and 54 minutes, and the highest total will be £454. Next week, I'll explain another way to get to A to B. And don't worry about the time zones either.
Thank you for that, Ethan. The next song is För all Hevjuken Fleur de Lis.
Cofio nôl i'r ha Pan groesodd ein llwybra am y tro cynta O'n i'n gwybod yn iawn pan sbis I mewn i'r llgada na Llgada pili pala Fysa na fory ar ôl heddiw a sa hynny methu digwydd yn ddigon cynt Mae gen gyr yn fy mhen, o'r fan ar fy nghem Yn trefnu bed I bed pan do'n am byd o'i le Wel dwi'n mam aros yma, gwneud i'n byd am fwy na dwi di neud O be na ni, mynd amdani Tan aros yn mam a'r ffordd bydd y disgwyl am hynny I ddigwydd, o da ni'n hyn I aros yn un hwyr dan leiad llawn A chodi pan da ni isio i'w brawch nawn Ffordd ni ydi y ffordd iawn O ma'n deg dweud oedden ni'n mynd disgwyl hyn Ond nawn ni ddim gadael hynny dynnu I ffwrdd ohona ni Na nawn ni ddim O'n i'n gwybod yn iawn pan ddim eisiau y cysylltiad naw Ond gyrru geiriau Fysa na fory ar ôl heddiw a sa hynny methu digwydd yn ddigon cynt Mae gen I gyr yn fy mhen, o'r fan ar fy nghem Yn trefnu bed I bed pan do'n am byd o'i le Wel dwi'n mam aros yma, gwneud i'n byd am fwy na dwi di neud O, be na ni, mynd amdani Tan aros yn mam a'r ffordd bydd y disgwyl am hynny I ddigwydd, o da ni'n hyn I aros mewn un hwyr dan leiad llawn A chodi pan da ni isio i'w brawch nawn Cos ffordd ni ydi y ffordd iawn Ta aros yn fama yn llonydd yn disgwyl am hynny I ddigwydd, o da ni'n hyn I aros yn un hwyr dan leiad llawn A chodi pan da ni isio i'w bron pnawn Cos ffordd ni ydi y ffordd iawn Ffordd ni ydi y ffordd iawn
Okay, so we are now back, and this is now our guessing year feature. We pick a year every week, and we are going to be telling you facts of what happened in this year, and we are going to be doing some events that happened in this year, or music that happened in this year. So, we've got 5 facts, and each and every one of them are different.
Guess the year.
Developer Woody. So, first off, our first fact is that the FIFA World Cup was held in West Germany this year.
Also in this year, multi-pilot Flying Circus final episode was aired on BBC1 in this year.
It was the year that Turkey, of all countries, decided to invade Cyprus, forming what we now call Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus.
It was also the year that global television network became the third TV network in Canada.
And now moving on to our final fact of this year is that Barbra Streisand, The Way You Were, was the biggest hit of this year. Can you guess the year? We are going to tell you after a couple of songs. The next song is Shake It Off by Taylor Swift.
I say I'm too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the player's gonna play. And the haters gonna hate. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off, shake it off. Heartbreaker's gonna break. And the faker's gonna fake. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. I shake it off. I never miss a beat. I'm lightning on my feet. And that's what they don't see. That's what they don't see. I'm dancing on my own. I'll make the moves up as I go. And that's what they don't know. That's what they don't know. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop grooving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the player's gonna play. And the haters gonna hate. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off. Heartbreaker's gonna break. And the faker's gonna fake. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. I shake it off. Shake it off. I 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 shake it off. Hey. Just think, while you've been getting down and out about the liars and the dirty cheats of the world, you could have been getting down to this sick beat. My ex-man brought his new girlfriend. She's like, oh my God, but I'm just gonna shake into the fella over there with the hella good hair. Won't you come on over, baby? We can shake. Yeah. 'Cause the player's gonna play. And the haters gonna hate. I'm just gonna shake. I shake it off. Heartbreaker's gonna break. And the faker's gonna fake. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. I shake it off. I shake it off. I shake it off. I shake it off.
from around the school.
Hey there everyone, Ethan here, and I've got news around the school. Over the holidays, Oscar from King Street's 9 had died on the August the 10th. Mika from Kingston has been to Blackpool for the elimination. I've been there in October of 2023, and I'm considering the possibilities of going there next year, albeit not during elimination season because that's finished. Svidva and staff are on to the Maldives for an all-girls trip. And welcome Mr. Edwards into Conrad Pim.
Also, in news around the schools today, we wish Hilda a speedy recovery because Hilda is currently unwell at the moment, and we wish her the best luck. And welcome to new students in CAYB this week, and we all hope they celebrated their first week with good things.
The next song is Jolene by Dolly Parton.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare, with flaming locks of auburn hair, with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. He talks about you in his sleep, and there's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. And I can easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. You could have your choice of men, but I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you, and whatever you decide to do, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him even though you can. Jolene,
Unfortunately, Corey will not be here with his feature this week because he's got some GCSEs coming up. And we wish Corey the best luck. And instead of Corey's feature, we are going to have Purple Rain by Prince.
I never meant to call you in your sorrow. I never meant to call you in your pain. I'm the one who wants to have you laughing. I only want to see you laughing in the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple say you want a leader, but you can't seem to make up your mind. I think you better close it and let me guide you to the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain, yeah, yeah. Purple rain, purple rain. You know what I'm saying about up here? Come on, raise your hand. Purple rain, purple rain.
Was Purple Rain by Prince. Now it's Pan a Bird by Buncalf.
Pan ti'n unig ac yn teimlo bod neb am dy adnabod di. Paid â wylo, sych dy ddagra, cydiad y llaw a dilyn fi i ben y byd. Ac yno, o dy flaen di, gweld y glesni'n cyrraedd yr hael. Coelia fi pan Pan mawr o weld dy effeithio di A ti'n gwenu, mae ydi gweithio Mae'r apusrwydd yn ôl yn o ti Ar ben y byd Felly tyr gofal yn dyn Achos dwi yn mynd yn ddigon pell o fan hyn Fi'n mynd i'r lle mae dy boen a'n troi yn ddim Ar ben y byd, ben y byd Gei di anghofio'r broblemau sti bod Edrych ymlaen, paid ag edrych yn ôl Fan ti'n unig ac angen ffred Cael y dalygaid cofia ni yn Felly tyrd gafal yn dyn Achos dwi yn mynd i'r lle mae'r haul yn gwenu Yn mynd i'r lle mae'r adar I gyd yn canu ti a fi Dwi yn teimlo ar ben y byd A dwi isio chdi fod efo fi ar ben y byd
Hey there, Ethan here, and I'm back with some news from around the world. First off, Germany's neighbours are criticising Germany back over their border control move. Germany, you know your neighbours are not too happy with this news, so maybe you should be a little more careful after that dreadful incident. Typhoon Yagi has terrorised the hell out of Vietnam and Southeast Asia. It really did destroy a road bridge. Yikes, I saw cars fall down to that river. Moving on, Melbourne, Australia has suffered a lot from a anti-war protest. The land down under's getting strange as the news goes on. And in North America, it's 54 days to go until the US elections. And finally, a firefighter in Chile has been arrested and tried to over a forest fire. Come on, just let him be the hero. Unfortunately, there are not many railway news there, but don't worry, they'll be back next month. The next song is Lipstick on My Collar by Connie Francis.
When you left me all alone at the record hall, told me you were going out for a soda pop. You were gone for quite a while, half an hour or more. You
Okay, we are back, and now here's our interview with the kid. This week's students, we are interviewing Jack McGreevy.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
Hello, Jack. How are you today?
I'm very happy.
That's good to hear. Right, our first question is, what is your favourite destination to go on a train?
I'd like to go to Wrexham.
What ride did you enjoy in Gulliver's World, Jack?
The Drop Tower.
Good. Really?
Yep.
Good.
It's your favourite game to play?
I like to play Snakes and Ladders.
Nice.
Nice. That's
Did
my
you
favourite
win?
too.
Sometimes.
Where have you been over the summer holidays?
I've been to lots of places.
Which places did you go to?
I went on a bus ride with my dad to Prestatyn. Lots of places.
What have you been doing in Prestatyn, Jack?
I like to go and look around the charity shop.
Oh, nice.
For DVDs.
Yeah.
Yep.
Good.
What is your favourite train station?
Bangor.
What's the reason?
What's the reason, Jack?
Because there's a lift there and I can go up and down it when my parents say I can.
Oh, good.
What's your favourite movie, Jack?
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
What could you need to go on the train from Holyhead to Llandudno?
I get the Avanti train if I needed to. I get it.
Good, eh?
Good, yeah.
What is your favourite meal?
Antelope.
What is your favourite meal from the Antelope?
I have a sizzling combo, chicken and steak combo.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it, Ocean?
Yeah.
Nice. Really nice. What is your favourite place to go on holiday?
Alton Towers.
That's nice, isn't it? Isn't it, Ocean?
Yeah.
Isn't it even?
Yeah.
Which song do you want to end Radio CAYB with this week?
Green Grass by George Ezra.
Okay, we are going to end off Radio CAYB, and thank you, Jack, for interviewing us today.
It's no problem.
Bye, Jack.
Bye.
Thank you, Jack.
Thank you, Jack.
Thank you, Jack.
Deal.
So we are going to end off today's show with Green Green Grass by George Ezra. We're going to see you next week for another edition of Radio CAYB.
But she moves like lightning, and she counts to 3. And she turns out all the lights and says she's coming for me. Now put your hands up, this is a heist. And there's no one in here living gonna make it out alive. Load it up when the sun comes down, getaway car for 2 young lovers. Me and the girl straight out of town, over the hills and undercover, undercover, undercover. She said, green, green girls, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. We go together, Adam and Eve. But the girl is so much more than just another apple thief. Yeah, she's a genius. Watch and learn. She sets the world on fire just to watch the sucker burn. Load it up when the sun comes down, getaway car for 2 young lovers. Me and the girl straight out of town, over the hills and undercover, undercover, undercover. She said, green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Throw a party, yeah. Throw a party on the day that I die. Throw a party, babe. Throw a party on the day that I die. Load it up when the sun comes down, getaway car for 2 young lovers. Me and the girl straight out of town, over the hills and undercover, undercover, undercover. She said, green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. I die.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio CAYB, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Tahi Santo, Your Time. Tahi Santo, Your Time.
You're listening to Radio CAYB.